Hey guys, this is Ivory with Munchy Goddess, and today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer loaded baked potato slices. These potato slices are super easy to make and they make a good side dish or appetizer. You're going to need 1 russet potato, olive oil, shredded cheese, crumbled bacon, sour cream, seasonings, and sliced green onion. Start by preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 12 minutes. Next, you want to slice the potato into 1/4 inch slices. Next, add the potatoes to a bowl, add some olive oil, and then the seasonings, and then mix until the slices are well coated. Add the potato slices to the preheated air fryer in a single layer, and then air fry for about 12 minutes, and be sure to flip them at the halfway mark. Once the potatoes are done, go ahead and add a pinch of shredded cheese to each, and then some bacon, and then another pinch of cheese. And then air fry for an additional 1 minute until the cheese has melted. Once the potatoes are done, go ahead and remove them from the air fryer. And then top each slice with some sour cream and green onion. And then enjoy! Thanks for watching!